Znajdujemy się
We are near Szczecin, in the town of Stare Czarnowo, at a 1 megawatt photovoltaic installation. We designed, built and delivered this installation for Selfa in 2016. Today, we are here at this installation 10 years after its construction, and together with our partners, ArcelorMittal and Selfa, we are conducting research to verify and assess the quality of this structure and determine how it has performed after 10 years.
po 10 latach wygląda. Farmy fotowoltaiczne
The photovoltaic farm was built in 2016. We made that decision because we ourselves have been in the photovoltaics industry since 2011, and we wanted to become our own customer, learn the business, and also start earning real returns from this investment. We had already worked with Corab before deciding to build the photovoltaic farm, and at their recommendation, we invested in a mounting system based on the Magnelis coating. Time has shown that it was an excellent decision.
do produkcji
To manufacture our structures, we use a special material, zinc magnesium coated steel. This is Magnelis. This was our first project of this scale in which we used zinc magnesium coated steel. It is our oldest project.
projekt.
I'm a research engineer working on the durability of Magnelis in soil environments, and we're very happy that Corab invited us here to really look in the field how Magnelis is behaving on the long term, and that's of course it allows us to learn the performance of Magnelis in the field conditions for solar PV projects. The very nice collaboration we have with Corab allows us to also strengthen our knowledge on what happens in these sometimes very challenging soil environments. And here at this farm we have really seen different soil environments, which of course allows us to learn a lot on what happens in the depth of the field. And of course this visit allows us also to check all the other structures from the solar PV project. Luckily for us, we see that Magnelis is performing very well after 10 years of exposure in real conditions.
Zostały wykonane
Excavations were carried out around the profiles anchored in the ground to a depth of 2 meters. We observed no signs of corrosion below ground level, which is very satisfying, as it confirms the high quality of our solutions.
naszych rozwiązań.
Following today's field tests, a series of laboratory tests will be carried out jointly with ArcelorMittal, and in 3 months we will receive a full results report, which we will share with you.
Bardzo serdecznie chciałbym podziękować.
I would like to sincerely thank both Corab and Selfa for making this research possible. We highly value cooperation with our customers, thanks to which we can develop our products together.
Z perspektywy klienta
From a customer's perspective, we did not expect a visit from Corab after 10 years of operating the farm. To me, this visit shows that you are confident in the quality of your solutions, and that the warranty you provide for a specified period is, in reality, a lifetime commitment, because you stay with the customer throughout the entire service life, not only until the warranty on paper expires.
współpraca z naszymi
Our cooperation with customers does not end with the delivery of finished components for building a photovoltaic installation. We also support them at every stage of operating the installation. If replacement components are needed, we are able to support them even 10 to 15 years after the initial delivery.
podczas użytkowania
During operation of the farm, we had one mechanical failure. While mowing the site, we hit a diagonal rail with a tractor. In fact, 2 rails were damaged. After reporting it to Corab, the spare parts were available immediately, right off the shelf, and the replacement was carried out very quickly and efficiently. So, how is your structure doing after 10 years? Ours is doing great.